This is the first time that we are trying to do something called display of learning, and I can see the excitement in the air, the way Aryabhat has really come out, where the students have actually displayed their learning of the past 2 months. I think it's a great opportunity for the students to really showcase that today. Display of learning is not just about displaying what the students have learned. It's about why the students have learned it and how the students have learned it.
My name is Varun Sharma from MYP3, and for my DOL, I'm programming robots, Lego EV3 robots using Scratch. We've programmed the robot to maneuver around this track which I built. Using Scratch, we also made it controllable using arrow keys, and it's equipped with a lot of motors and a lot of sensors, so it's very easy to control.
I'm Vedanshi Dhanoja from MYP2A, and this is my project on automated light. When this IR sensor detects motion, the lights turn on.
So we are amazed they're just MYP middle year school, 6th, 7th, 8th standard. But the way these people have come up very creatively with fixing interiors into a space that was given 15 by 20 feet. It is an amazing effort from the school to give them practical solutions and make them learn mathematics through a very, very experiential way.
This is really amazing. I mean, it takes us back to our architecture school 25 years ago. When we entered the architecture school, we used to make sketches like this, but never in our MYP or in our senior schools. So this is really encouraging for kids.
It's amazing how applied mathematics is being taught to students.
I think it's a great opportunity for the parents to get a little sneak peek into how their children are really learning. In every display area, the students are also engaging the parents and the visitors in some way or the other. So when you come out of a display area, you come out having learned something and not just seeing whatever the students have actually done over this period of time.